We understand. The thought of going to court is scary for many people. That gets them thinking that pleading guilty and getting it over with might be the best thing to do. Without a good lawyer, pleading guilty is never a good idea. If you're pondering a guilty plea without the advice of a lawyer, you've come to the right place. The consequences of a criminal conviction can be devastating. You need to have a full understanding of what you're doing before you enter your plea. There are times when pleading guilty is your best option, but not necessarily to the charges you're facing. There may be a way to plead guilty to lesser charges, even to charges that don't carry a criminal conviction. That's where plea bargaining comes in. Plea bargaining refers to negotiations between the prosecutor and an accused. The prosecutor is a criminal lawyer who represents the state. If you're the accused, even the playing field, have a criminal lawyer on your side. Plea bargaining happens every day, but it doesn't just happen on its own. So how does it occur? The prosecutor decides whether to accept a plea bargain or not. An experienced criminal lawyer will have a good idea what a particular prosecutor is looking for. Prosecutors are human, and just like you, they have likes and dislikes. A criminal lawyer knows in a plea bargain which prosecutor to approach, when to approach, and what offer to make. That knowledge is imperative. Some prosecutors will entertain the idea of a plea bargain to certain charges, while others won't, even if it's a good offer. Approach the wrong prosecutor and you've wasted your time. More importantly, you may have closed a door permanently. A criminal lawyer knows you need to give the prosecutor something to work with. What's in it for them? Why should they agree to accept your offer? The prosecutor may have to explain to their boss why they took a deal, so you need to give them a good reason. Your lawyer will provide them with that reason, something for them to consider about why a plea bargain is in the state's best interest. This requires knowledge of the law and the criminal justice system. Above all, what you say to a prosecutor is admissible as evidence against you. What your lawyer says is not. Let's say there is a difficulty identifying you as the person who committed the crime. Your lawyer can approach the prosecutor and use this as the reason to plea bargain. But if you do this on your own behalf, you might confirm your identity. Your words can be used against you, and you lose the basis for the state to plea bargain. Finally, sentencing is a major part of plea bargaining. Don't take this for granted. It's not just about what you'll plead guilty to. There's also the discussion about what penalties you'll face once you have pled guilty. Your lawyer will get you the best results possible, including the lowest sentence. Plea bargaining might be your best option. Explore all your options with a criminal lawyer. So much is at stake. Contact us now.